Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. Look at this, we have a very special guest today. It's Matt.
I'm back!
MatPat.
Yes, I'm so excited to be here, Ro.
Yes, we are baking today something from the Nerdy Nummies cookbook, and I thought you were the perfect guest because in celebration of Jurassic World, we are making a themed dino treat, and we also made a video over on your channel.
We did
around this subject.
A Jurassic World theory together, Ro and I. I was worried though when you said you invited me on specifically for this episode because I thought you were gonna say I'm older than dirt.
No, that's not it. We just both think dinosaurs are cool.
Yes!
And that's why I was like, yes, because look at this cake. This is a paleontologist's dream.
That's true. Ro, impress everyone at home with a dinosaur fact.
Oh, okay, I got an impressive one. Dinosaurs had feathers. They actually look probably more like birds.
That's true, but I gotta say, seeing a T-Rex walking around with feathers would look really, really silly.
I know, it would just look like the biggest chicken you've ever seen. I love the Triceratops, and when I try to imagine it with feathers,
yeah, Triceratops is your favorite dinosaur?
I think I fell in love with those when that movie, what was it?
Land Before Time?
Yes!
Yes, with Littlefoot! And he's got his little leaf with the water that he can see his mother's face. And then the sharp tooth comes.
And it's really a huge chicken this whole time.
It does! It loses something when it's got giant feathers.
This is one of my favorite days. We're making something dino themed. Matt's hanging out. Today's gonna be good. Okay, are you ready? You gotta throw your finger up. Let's get started.
Keep spinning.
Yeah, you keep spinning. Things you'll need will be 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/3 cup water.
2/3 cup firmly packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 4 large eggs.
Now let's put it all together. First thing that we're gonna do is mix together all of our dry ingredients that we have in front of us. You pour in the flour, then cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, double-hand it. I'll throw in the salt.
I can't even keep up with you, Ro.
Salty. Then sugar.
Sugar, of course.
Cocoa powder.
Yes.
This is gonna make it a chocolate cake.
It would be weird if it made it a gingerbread cake. And then lastly,
brown sugar. Then whisk together till well combined. Matt, I'm gonna put you to work. So just stir, but keep it down here. Don't go too fast or everything's gonna come out of the bowl.
I thought I was only here to look pretty and make lame jokes on the side. I have to actually do cooking?
If you could just host today.
Yeah.
I've got to take Cookie on a walk. I'll be back.
This is gonna be a long walk.
You got it, Matt. You can do it. Next step, in a medium bowl, whisk together all the wet ingredients. All right, so here, Matt, you're gonna pour in the oil.
Okay.
I've got the water.
You've got the water. What if you did an entire episode of Nerdy Nummies as a musical? She just dropped her mind was so blown, she just let go of the eggs. It's gone. It's happening, right?
All the ideas.
Right?
We need outfits. This could be the microphone.
Whoa. I'm gonna have to watch that one.
Sorry, we'll add our eggs. Okay. Matt, you're gonna add 2. I'll add 2. We're gonna add the whole egg.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do one-handed egg.
You said add the whole egg, so there it is.
Minus the shell.
Oh.
No shell, but I'm gonna have you do it. We're gonna do hard mode here. Okay, ready?
Okay, hard mode.
We're gonna crack them and twist. One-handed egg crack, 2 eggs at a time.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, just try to get the egg in the bowl. You got this, Matt. Ready?
I've got this.
1, 2, 3, and a crack and a twist.
Yes!
Yes! Boom!
0 shell in there.
It's okay, it's only one. Now, scoop in the sour cream.
Okay.
I know you thought it was a little weird, but it's gonna taste so good in the chocolate cake.
I'm excited to taste test it. I don't think I've ever had a cake with sour cream, or at least not that I've known of.
So good. Oh, yum. Last but not least, a little vanilla extract.
My personal favorite.
Then once again, Matt, we'll mix it together until it's
so
well
ready.
combined.
Yes.
Can you imagine if these were our scrambled egg omelet?
So at this point, we have our dry ingredients, we have our wet ingredients. Time to mix them together and then see what happens.
Pour that sour cream mixture into the dry. Okay, now we gotta whisk together and I'm gonna go really slow because I don't want to spill anything. This is gonna be delicious. This mixes so well, so easy. Oopsies. Some recipes are a little bit more difficult to hand mix, so I prefer electric.
But I hear that you've been working out, Ro. And
Yeah,
so,
I have.
So you got those guns
Yeah,
right.
look
You
at
got those.
these.
Whoa,
Did you
mixing guns.
Feel how strong?
No.
Matt, this is so hard. This is like putting my whole body into this.
Oh my gosh.
I've got some work to do.
No, I clearly have a lot of work to do, I think is what we've just seen here.
My goal is to become the Rock.
Yeah?
But little, so like the pebble. Batter is ready, time to pour in our pans. Over here we have two 8-inch round pans. They're both greased, and I put a piece of parchment paper at the bottom so that they come out easy after they bake. So it's a really good idea to do that.
That is a really good
All right,
idea.
now we're just gonna eyeball it.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
And tell me when.
How deep should it be in the pan?
I don't, that's good.
Great,
Boom.
switch.
Oh yeah, oh there we go.
Well done. So our cakes are all ready to be put in the oven. Just preheat it to 325.
And bake for 35 to 40 minutes.
There we go. So while our cakes are baking, we're going to take the opportunity to make ourselves some dinosaur bones. Unless
That's right.
you just so happen to have some laying around.
I found these cute little dinosaur fossil molds. These are so cute. These ones are made by Fred. I'll put a link down below. I found them online. I thought they were perfect. We are also holding some white melted chocolate we put into piping bags.
Would it be wrong of me right now to pipe this directly into my mouth?
Well, then we wouldn't have enough bones.
Yeah, but I would
For
have a
the
bunch of white
cake.
chocolate in my mouth.
Decisions.
So fancy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you can have a little bit, Matt. But now save some for the dinosaurs.
Really good.
Okay, fill them in. While your chocolate's still hot,
That was really good.
fill in your mold.
It's rare in my life that I'm presented with a bag of just melted chocolate, so I'm very excited about the prospect.
You're
great.
like, oh.
This is gonna be my new dessert of choice. You want some ice cream? You want some cake? No, I'll just take a bag of melted chocolate. It's fine.
Then give your tray a little tap. It will help get all the little air bubbles out of the chocolate mold and smooth it out. Tap, 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 tap.
Get those air bubbles out.
Yes, get those air bubbles out. Yes,
get those air bubbles out.
Yes,
get those air bubbles out.
yes.
It's the newest dance craze. So this is the part I've been really waiting for. We've got our graham crackers, we've got Oreos. It's time to crumb.
We are gonna crumb them together to look like dirt.
I really gotta ask, Ro, what did you do with all the stuffing in those Oreos?
Ate them. We're gonna be crumbing them one at a time. We'll start with Matt, because Matt, you're the guest.
Oh, well, thank you.
All right, so let's break these apart. We're using a food processor, but you can also use a blender. Here we go, ready?
I am so ready.
Boom. Pull, and you're just gonna pulse it. Keep breaking it up. Pull.
Pulse it.
Oh, here's the pulse button.
There you go.
It's on this side. Boom, 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 boom. It's really fun, Matt. You wanna try it?
I would love to pulse.
Okay, hit this button. Go boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, that looks great. That's it. Okay, now pour it in here.
Nice.
And I don't want the blades to fall out.
Well,
They always do that.
wishful thinking. Let's crumb some Oreos.
Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to
I'm
pulse.
ready. I'm ready.
Woo! Whoa, that
Okay,
was
I'll
an
hold.
aggressive
Whoa,
one.
whoa. Pulse. There we go. There we go.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Now this is the most satisfying part of the recipe, and I'm gonna let you do it.
No.
Mixing them together to make it look like dirt.
I
It's
think
so fun.
I can't.
You have to.
I
You're
can't
the
be
guest.
selfish.
No, you're the guest. You're the guest. You work
Are you
for
sure?
this.
I
Yes,
bet we could.
yes.
I bet we could find another spoon here, bro.
No, you do it. You do it. Two dirts becoming one. Here it is. Here
Oh, there it is.
Whoa!
Oh. All right, this is looking pretty darn good, so let's set this one off to the side. So as you can see, our cakes have baked and have had plenty of time to cool.
And I just stacked them together, put a little bit of chocolate frosting in between. And now we are going to frost and decorate the cake. All right, Matt, I'm gonna give you one of these.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna pipe an outline on the
Okay.
top of the cake like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna do half. No, you do
Okay.
the other half.
I got this. Ooh. Follow the line, follow the line, follow the line, follow the
Yeah,
line.
yeah, good pressure. Fill in the top. You can be quite generous, so don't feel like you're gonna mess up.
Okay.
It's fine. And just do zigzags like this. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag.
Whoa!
No, you do it,
That
you
was
do it.
really good, okay.
It can get a little messy, that's okay. Now take an offset spatula and we're gonna smooth it out. And to do so, we're using a turntable. If you don't have one of these at home, that's okay. You can just move your hand, but this makes it a little bit easier.
Oh, I gotta move my hand.
Because look at this, look, you hold it in
Yeah.
one place and then gently just apply a little pressure, not too much. To frost the sides of the cake,
Yes.
apply even pressure and work your way all the way around, and then we'll do another layer. Just try to get the frosting to stick to the cake.
Okay,
Sure.
okay, go. Just
Is
squeezing
this a good
evenly.
pace?
Yes, this is great. Here we go. Okay, I think that is the
You think
top of the
it's
cake
good?
there. I think we're pretty good.
All right, then again, taking the offset spatula, place against the cake, and then we're just gonna turn it. And you can spin it around a couple times till it's as smooth as you want.
Ro, everything looks so good. These bones turned out so well.
This
Everything's
cake
coming together.
It's gonna be so cute. Time to decorate, and it's super easy. Our cake is frosted. We moved it to this little stand, and I've got the picture from the book.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna let you put the bones on. I'm gonna let you do the honor. So just follow the book. Put
Okay.
the little head over here.
Okay, you want the head over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then you gotta fit his little body on. And then what I really like is that if you wanna reposition something, you can do it.
Okay,
It's okay, because then we're just gonna put cookie crumbs
Got his little
all
hip
over
bone.
the top. No one will know.
This is so fun. Oh my gosh.
Could you imagine if you
tail.
found bones like this in your backyard? I would love it. I would have a party.
I also love this where like you have little bone fragments that came out, so it does kind of lend
Yeah, you
to the
can break 'em.
realism.
And you can stick them in the sides.
Okay,
Just
little-
stick them
little
anywhere
smiley
on the
face toward the front
sides of the
here.
cake.
There we go. Got a little rib cage right
Oh,
here.
jeez.
It's fine, 5-second rule. Doesn't matter.
5-second roll. Boom, get in there.
right.
All
Hit me
right,
up.
boom. Oh wait, you did this. I knew that. It's cookie time.
Cookie time!
We're gonna make it rain cookie crumbs all over this cake. Now, I always make a mess when I do this, and the reason is because the sides of the cake.
Sure.
It's just hard to get it to stick. Are you ready?
I'm so
Here, I'm gonna
ready.
bring this over to you.
Okay.
And we can just leave it there
just
and
sprinkle
just
it on?
sprinkle on the top.
Okay. Oh
Yeah.
Oh, and he's getting buried.
Now let's get the sides of the
Okay,
cake.
yeah, how do you-
Now,
do you
be
just fling it?
fearless.
Just fling it at
take
the
your
side?
spoon of
Yes.
cookie dirt and just fearless.
Okay. here we go.
Fearless.
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 you lost all of it.
I also like that the cookie plate has a lip because it keeps all the cookies in there.
Clearly,
Fearless.
clearly it's doing a good job of keeping all the cookie dust in there. So we'll continue doing this until it's completely covered.
Ta-da! Here is the dinosaur fossil cake that we made today in celebration of the new Jurassic World. I am so excited for it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and a big thank you to MatPat for helping me make this cake today.
Hey,
Okay.
this was a blast. I had a great time. Thank you for letting me make a mess with my kind of dirt crumbs here. So can we slice off a piece and take a bite?
Yeah. Okay, let's take a bite. Also, don't forget we made a video over on Matt's channel. Again, I'm gonna put a link down below. Go check it out. It's about Jurassic World as well. And I'm also gonna be putting all of his links down below. If you guys are new to the channel, go check out his YouTube channel, show him some love and subscribe.
Thank
He
you.
is amazing.
Ro is dropping all sorts of dinosaur knowledge on the other videos, so.
Yeah, dino facts. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures and post the recipe on RosannaPansino.com, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And this recipe is also in the Nerdy Nummies cookbook, so you can find it there as well.
Man, you can find it everywhere, Ro.
It's everywhere.
Everywhere you want to be. You have no excuse not to make this cake.
Okay, ready?
Yes, I'm so ready.
This,
Here.
yeah, this is the chocolate cake with a little sour cream.
Let me grab myself a little bone so I
think
can
you'll
get
like it.
a little bit of everything into this. Oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh.
That was good.
It is so good. You may have made me a believer in sour cream desserts.
They're good.
That's brilliant.
They're really good.
And dino themed desserts. Just across the board.
Bye.
Bye.